Wow! Nice, super. Wonderful plan, okay? This is your number 3 years night से fantastic goal running partner. Okay?
Progress through 3 years. 3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency. 3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency. Whether to do neighbosh or you willing doing ayosh.
No worry, no regret, come with full faith.
Whether to do neighbosh or you willing doing ayosh.
No worry, no regret, come with full faith. If you have to do diploma, come and fulfill your dream and aim.
Excellent teaching in 3 years. Excellent tuition in 3 years. Getting best practice in 3 years. Preparation and quality excellent.
Come and join in.
Come and join in 3 years.
You are welcome in.
You are welcome in 3 years.
Everyone best choice.
Everyone best choice only 3 years.
World class standard.
World class standard in 3 years. 3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency. 3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency. मिलती है सफलता 3 years में, होती है उन्नति 3 years में.
मिलती है सफलता 3 years में, होती है उन्नति 3 years में.
3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency. 3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency. चाहे करना हो नेबोश या फिर करना हो आयोश, ना करो तुम अफसोस, भर लो तुम जोश.
चाहे करना हो नेबोश या फिर करना हो आयुष, ना करो तुम अफसोस, भर लो तुम जोश.
करना हो तुम्हें डिप्लोमा, सपना जो है तुम्हें संवारना.
करना हो तुम्हें डिप्लोमा, सपना जो है तुम्हें संवारना.
मिलेगी अच्छी पढ़ाई 3 years में,
मिलेंगे अच्छे ट्यूटर 3 years में,
होगी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस 3 years में.
होगी अच्छी तैयारी 3 years में.
आओ ज्वाइन करे,
आओ join करें
3 years में. सारे लोगों का विश्वास 3 years में. Empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency. 3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency. मिलती है सफलता 3 years में, होती है उन्नति 3 years में. శ్రేయస్రే ఉన్నతి మీడే 3S రే 3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency 3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency କରିବେ କି ନାହିଁ ନେବୋଷ କରିବାକୁ ଆସ ଆୟୁଷ ଅନୁତାପ କରନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଉନ୍ନତି କରିବେ ତେବେ ଆପଣ
କରିବେ କି ନାହିଁ ନେବୋଷ କରିବାକୁ ଆସ ଆୟୁଷ ଅନୁତାପ କରନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଉନ୍ନତି କରିବେ ତେବେ ଆପଣ
କରିନିଅ ତୁମେ ଡିପ୍ଲୋମା ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଯଦି ଥାଏ କରିବାକୁ ପୁର
କରିନିଅ ତୁମେ ଡିପ୍ଲୋମା ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଯଦି ଥାଏ କରିବାକୁ ପୁର ମିଳିବ ଭଲ ଶିକ୍ଷା 3S ରେ ମିଳିବ ଭଲ ଟ୍ୟୁଟର 3S ରେ ହବ ଭଲ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ 3S ରେ ହବ ଭଲ ବିକାଶ 3S ରେ
ଆସ ଜଏନ୍ କର
3S ରେ
ସବିଂ କର ବିଶ୍ୱାସ
3S ରେ
empowering 3S safety 3S excellency 3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency मिलदी है सफलता 3S विच होंदी है तरक्की 3S विच
ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਫਲਤਾ 3S ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਰੱਕੀ 3S ਵਿੱਚ
3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency 3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency चाहते हो करना नेबोश या फिर चाहते हो करना आयोश ना करो पछतावा ते अफसोस पर लो तुसी फुल जोश
ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਰਨਾ ਨੇ ਬੋਸ਼ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਰਨਾ ਆਇਓ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ ਪਛਤਾਵਾ ਤੇ ਅਫਸੋਸ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੁੱਲ ਜੋਸ਼
करना होगा तेनो डिप्लोमा सुपना तुसी है जो सवारना करना होगा तेनो डिप्लोमा सुपना तुसी है जो सवारना मिलोगी वधिया पढ़ाई 3S विच मिलोगी वधिया ट्यूटर 3S विच होवेगी वधिया प्रैक्टिस 3S विच होवेगी वधिया तैयारी 3S विच आजो सारी ज्वाइन करिए 3S विच सारे लोकां दा विश्वास 3S विच empowering 3S safety 3S excellency 3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency విజయం వస్తుంది 3S లో పురోగతి ఉండి 3S లో
విజయం వస్తుంది 3S లో పురోగతి ఉండి 3S లో
3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency 3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency కవలాను కొంటేనే బోష్ లేకపోతే ఆయోష్ జోష్ నింపండి విశ్వాసాన్ని పెంపండి చూకోండి
గివ్లను కుండేనే బోష్ లేకపోతే ఆయోష్ జోష్ నింపండి విశ్వాసాన్ని పెంపొండి చూకోండి
డిప్లొమా కలిగి ఉండండి కవలాను నెరవేర్చుకోండి డిప్లొమా కలిగి ఉండండి కవలాను నెరవేర్చుకోండి మంచి విద్యను పొందండి 3S లో ఉత్తమ ఉపాధ్యాయులు 3S లో
మంచి విద్య మీ సొంతం 3S లో ఉత్తమ శిక్షణ 3S లో
అందరూ చేరండి 3S లో
అందరి విశ్వాసం 3S లో
3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency 3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency पाउँछ सफलता 3S मा हुन्छ उन्नति 3S मा
पाउँछ सफलता 3S मा हुन्छ उन्नति 3S मा
3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency 3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency चाहे गर्नु हो बोस या फिर गर्नु हो आयोस नगर तिमी अफसोस भर तिमी जोस
चाहे गर्नु हो बोस या फिर गर्नु हो आयोस नगर तिमी अफसोस भर तिमी जोस
गर्नु जे चाहिन्छ तिमी डिप्लोमा सपना जुन छ जे तिम्रो सजाउनु गर्नु जे चाहिन्छ तिमी डिप्लोमा सपना जुन छ जे तिम्रो सजाउनु
पाउँछ राम्रो पढाइ 3S मा
पाउँछ राम्रो ट्युटर 3S मा
हुन्छ राम्रो प्र्याक्टिस 3S मा
हुन्छ राम्रो तयारी 3S मा आइजाऊ सबै जोइन गर 3S मा सबैको विश्वास छ 3S मा 3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency 3S empowering 3S safety मिलते यश 3S मारी होते प्रगति 3S मारे
मिलते यश 3S मादे होते प्रगति 3S मादे
3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency 3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency जरकरवे आसलने बोश किंवा मक्करवे आसला योश खेद करू नका तुम्ही जोश तुमचेत भरा तुम्ही
जर करवे असेल बोल किंवा मग करवे असेल आयोश खेद करू नका तुम्ही जोश तुमच्या धारा तुम्ही जर करायचे असेल डिप्लोमा
स्वप्न तुम्हाला सजवायची
जर करायचे असेल डिप्लोमा
स्वप्न तुम्हाला सजवायची मिलत उत्तम शिक्षण है 3S मारे मिलते उत्तम शिक्षक है 3S मारी
होईल उत्तम सरभर 3S मारे होईल उत्तम तयारी 3S मारे
या सारे भेटुआ 3S मारी आहे सर्वांना विश्वास విజయం 3S వరుణు మున్నతం 3S సంభవిക്കുന്നു
విజయం 3S వరుణు మున్నతం 3S సంభవిക്കുന്നു
3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency 3S empowering 3S safety 3S excellency 네 보스제안노 알링킬라요스제안 내 খিড়খিন্ডা 닝갈레 우tsaham kondu nerukka
Nee bus cheyano alin killayos cheyan nekde khindaningalle utsam kondu nerukka
നിങ്ങൾ ഡിപ്ലോമ ചെയ്യണം നെയ്യുത്തിക്കുന്ന സ്വപ്നം
ningal diploma cheyano ninyathukkunna swapnam
3 years നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നല്ല വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം ലഭിക്കും 3 years ൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു നല്ല അധ്യാപകനെ ലഭിക്കും 3 years ൽ നല്ല പരിശീലനമായിരിക്കും 3 years ൽ നല്ല തയ്യാറെടുപ്പ് ഉണ്ടാക്കും
3S chitra ellavarkum 3S vishwasamunda
3 years ൽ ചെറു എല്ലാവർക്കും 3 years ൽ വിശ്വാസമുണ്ട് 3 years empowering 3 years safety 3 years excellency 3 years empowering 3 years safety 3 years excellency.
And you went to some abroad.
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me how is your experience, and I'm very happy that you have been cleared on the Bosch ITC in the first attempt. Okay.
Yes. So my name is Kelly Kupanga from Congo. Yeah. So I came in India in 2021. So I was working as a health and safety officer in Congo in a cobalt and copper mine.
Right.
And then because I didn't really have that background, because my background is a software engineer.
Oh.
So when I came here, I had I wanted to learn a little bit about software instead health and safety management, environment works. So that's how I I mean it's a pretty famous school. So I just had to Google it, and then Google sent me here.
Okay.
And as I came, that's where I even met Jacob. He's really a great yeah. He really knows what he's doing.
Yeah, this is your Bosch certificate. Okay.
So this is the right place to be, guys. Don't even hesitate to say.
So nice of you have this property in your hand. Now it is your property. I'm signing for it. Okay.
3 years empowering 3 years safety 3 years excellency 3 years empowering 3 years safety 3 years excellency.
घर घर तिरंगा हर घर तिरंगा मेरा तिरंगा तेरा तिरंगा हमारा हम सब का तिरंगा
घर घर तिरंगा हर घर तिरंगा मेरा तिरंगा तेरा तिरंगा हमारा हम सब का तिरंगा
केसरिया सफेद हरा मजबूती शांति विकास से भरा हिम्मत सद्भाव खुशहाली देता मेरा तिरंगा
केसरिया सफेद हरा मजबूती शांति विकास से भरा हिम्मत सद्भाव खुशहाली देता मेरा तिरंगा. ऊर्जा स्वच्छता हरियाली का प्रतीक हमारा तिरंगा आन बान शान व पहचान ये तिरंगा.
ऊर्जा स्वच्छता हरियाली का प्रतीक हमारा तिरंगा आन बान शान व पहचान ये तिरंगा.
आओ मनाए आजादी के 75वें साल आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव लहराते गाते नाचते अपने संग तिरंगा तिरंगा, हर घर तिरंगा, मेरा तिरंगा तेरा तिरंगा।
हमारा हम सब का तिरंगा,
हमारा हम सब का तिरंगा, हमारा हम सब का तिरंगा।
Hi guys, this is Imran Khan from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. क्योंकि मैंने ये निबोश किया है, निबोश IGC फ्रॉम 3S लाइफ सेव अकेडमी, जहाँ का कल्चर और नेचर बहुत अच्छा है लोगों का, जिसके कारण मैंने यहाँ पे 3S लाइफ सेव अकेडमी से, जहाँ से हम IGC किया है, मैं आप लोग को ये वीडियो इसलिए बना के शेयर कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि इसका मेन मोटो है कि जो लोग परेशान हैं, जो स्टूडेंट परेशान है IGC करने के लिए और उनके दिल में डर है, उनको हटाने के लिए बना। तो बहुत से लोग ऐसे हैं जो सिर्फ डरते हैं कि निबोस IGC में पास करूंगा कि नहीं पास करूंगा। जैसे पहले मैं भी डरता था, तो मैंने बहुत से इंस्टीट्यूट में सर्च किया कि क्या ऐसा होगा, इनका एंटरटेनमेंट कैसा, ये पढ़ाएंगे क्या, एजुकेशन इनका रहेगा सिस्टम। तो मैंने 4-5 इंस्टीट्यूट से, बड़े बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट से रब्ता किया, कांटेक्ट किया, उनका एक डेमो क्लास भी लिया। लेकिन जब मैंने सब जगह बात किया, जाने के बाद फिर मैंने सर्च किया नेट पे, और देन 3S लाइफ सेव अकेडमी का जब मुझे पता चला, जब मैंने बात किया, उनके इंचार्ज है, उनका नाम है वंदना मैम, जब उनसे बात किया तो उनसे लगा नहीं कि मैंने किसी इंस्टीट्यूट में बात किया, मुझे लगा कि हाँ, कि मैंने किसी फ्रेंड सर्कल पे बात किया कि मुझे कैसे निबोश पास करना है। एंड देन उन्होंने मुझे इतना अच्छा से ट्रीट किया कि मुझे लगा कि यहाँ से हम कुछ पास और अच्छा मार्क्स से निकल सकते हैं। और इनका जो मेन मोटो था, इन्होंने कभी पैसा के ऊपर मुझे नहीं फोर्स किया या पैसा के ऊपर कुछ ऐसा नहीं किया। इनका पहला था कि आप पर हमारा वे ऑफ एजुकेशन और ट्रीटमेंट देखिए, देन आप उसके बाद डिसाइड कीजिएगा। तो इन्होंने एक मॉक ट्रेनिंग के लिए मुझे एक सेशन दिया ऑन करके, और उसमें जब ट्रेनिंग हुआ तो मुझे पता चला कि हाँ, इनका जो ट्रेनिंग का देने का जो डिलीवरी है बहुत अलग है, सब इंस्टीट्यूट से बहुत अलग है। और एग्जाम में लिखना कैसे है, वो आपका दिल से जो डर, हेजिटेशन है, ये लोग निकाल देते हैं कि एग्जाम को कैसे डील करना है, तुरंत ऐसे क्रैक करेंगे आप, कोई टेंशन ना होगा आपको। एंड सो इसलिए मैं आपको बोलना चाहूंगा, और मेरी तरफ से एडवाइस है आप लोगों को कि आप 3S लाइफ सेव अकेडमी के बारे में सर्च करें और यहाँ से आप करें। और
यहाँ के जो भी ट्विटर है, सूरज सर, जो इनका तरीका पढ़ाने का, समझाने का, वो बहुत अच्छा है। इससे बहुत आसानी हुआ कि कंप्लीट करने में। मैंने ये एग्ज़ाम फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर किया, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोगों को डाउट होता है कि ये फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर होगा नहीं होगा। लेकिन अगर हम सही इंस्टीट्यूट को लेके चलेंगे तो, और सही ट्विटर को लेके चलेंगे तो ये एग्ज़ाम बहुत आसान है।
Hi Ajit. Yeah, very good morning, very good morning. Come. So, coming from Mysore, huh?
Yeah.
So, first of all, double congratulations to you, and for Nibosh IGC and then PSM, okay? I'm very happy that you have been now enrolling for the Nibosh IDIC also. Very good. Come. So now, how's your experience, Yasin, like when you completed your IGC and then again you opted for the PSM? Can you speak about, give your introduction a little bit and speak about the overall experience as of now with the 3S Life Sev Academy?
So actually, starting I was quite nervous and I was quite confused at which is the good institute is going to offer at Nibosh IGC, because recently from 2018 Nibosh, because they changed the examination pattern.
Correct.
So earlier it was very easy that either if you have written some points, you will get some points, some marks. But this, when they have introduced this open book examination, it's purely dealing with all concept, that whether if for example, if you have understood the concept, then only you are able to answer the questions.
Correct.
So for that reason, I was searching in Google and in other sources that which is the good institute who is going to offer the good tuitions.
Okay.
So when just I typed in Google, which is the topmost safety institute in Bangalore. So I got top 3. One is, another one is 3S Life Sev Academy. Another one is. So, but PS Academy, everyone has given the 5-star. So that inspired me a lot. That even I saw that comments also and given very good feedback.
You must say about the Google rating.
Google rating.
Yes.
So your institute, PS Lifesaver Academy, for having 5. So after seeing that 5-star rating, just I contacted you, and I got to know that you are going to offer a world topper, Surat sir. And also I was having some knowledge, so that inspired me to make the admission.
So that was that first thing that you had a good research on the
Yeah. So because actually, basically I'm from Mysore. I don't have any idea about this PS Lifesaver Academy. So Google helped me a lot, and people's comments and their ratings that helped me a lot.
So thank you to you as well as for the Google. So now if you see like the experience of the having the tuition done and the passing successfully of the Nabosh IGC, and again your confidence got built up to opt for another process at the management PSM. Okay. Overall, how was the like? How did you manage this? And the successfully passing both. Okay.
So the fact is, when the day one the class has started, I was having confusion and having a lot of confusion in my mind. So that how will be the concept? So after completion of first class, the students were to the first class. And after completion of the first class, he gave one small mock one to practice one question. So I answered that question. So automatically I got 100% confidence that I can crack this Bosch IGC very easily. The technique, the method, the methodology, and this concept how to crack even tough questions also and even complicated question also. No need to get panic. The techniques he gave me, it helped me a lot. So by the grace of God and with the help of this institution, mashallah, first attempt itself I passed IGC.
Very nice, very nice.
Then I got to know that you're offering PSM recently. So I was having confidence and I was having hope and trust with your tutors. So easily I enrolled for PSM.
You know, that PSM, that was the first batch.
First batch,
okay?
yeah.
And we started with the 4 learners.
Yes, sir.
And all of you, including you, we had a crack with the 100% pass. Really, it was a very awesome. Like, see, something we're running an institutions, okay? If you giving the excellency of the performance, okay? That's what we need, okay? If you learners have been supported with a good set of the tutors, okay? And making a good learning, okay, to you and cracking the things, okay? And avoid examinations, okay? Which could be sometimes people find difficulties, okay?
Yes. Because here this Bosch PSM is totally different from other courses.
Exactly.
Because purely it's dealing with dangerous inert gases and what type of hazard will be available present in this process industry, especially oil and gas.
Correct.
So that concept was totally different. But how beautifully that Rahul sir, your tutor, he break down that all subjects in a very simple, easy manner, so that even a layman can understand that concept.
Yes.
Like that, he prepared the notes
Very nice.
and he prepared more than 150 mock papers and questions. Sorry, so it helped me.
I remember that on the day of the examination, you had some struggle for logging something. Okay?
Yeah.
Actually, and then you, despite of that struggle, and then you could not got the required time.
I got hardly 20 minutes to answer that question. So how I successfully answered this because of that your support and quality of education you have given that. Suppose if a candidate is following, compulsory is following with dedicated, he has dedicated his time and he is continuously referring your study material and compulsory is attaining 100% attendance. So even 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes is more than enough to answer that all questions.
Yeah, being a MCQ. No?
Yeah, MCQ. But dedication should be there.
Correct, no, see, that is the very important. Dedication with the good learnings and the good, like when the tutor is giving good learnings across. So you have some ideas in the mind and your efforts, okay, dedication alone, without efforts, without giving the good tuitions to you, it is not possible, okay, because see, having the 90 minutes of PSM,
Yes. It's very
like,
this one. This quite risky also because it's not a theoretical part.
Yeah, it's
so
not-
that if you write any theories, at least you'll get some marks.
Correct.
But this one is once if you have picked the wrong answer, means it's wrong.
Yeah, correct. If it is right, means right, or this is go in between.
The candidate should possess a strong sound over subject command.
Correct.
Yeah.
So good call for the going for the IIT package. Okay. So I wish you very good luck to you and God make you success in the similar fashion. So always the people, yeah, wherever you work, okay, work with the happily and work with the efficiently and make the people to make you feel proud of you. Okay. So thank you Asin, and really nice chatting with you.
Without supporting you, without your institute, my success would not happen.
Yeah. So you are coming the first time to our
Yeah.
institutes, okay? So how did you find the institute?
Yeah, especially the way you have maintained the institute, like very easy to access, and you have maintained very cleanliness and classes. The way that what shall I say? That I can't express it. How beautifully you have
Good. Thank you very much. Thank you.
3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency.